guys, RETROCENGO here. This video is gonna be about KIXX games. Well, what happened? Most of the time, my Amiga boxes were like this. Looked at the side of them, but now I turned them over, looking at the front. In this way, it gives me much more joy having these games. Not like this, but like this. This is nice. I really like to look at the box art, stuff like that. It's just much better like this. And then all of a sudden, I was looking, Dune. I grew up with Dune 2, love it. Then I looked at this. Oh, that's my finger. I'm so sorry, guys. Look at this. This box will be much more expensive in the Amiga world compared to this box. This box is a later sold box because this one sold so good, and they made a platinum edition, cheaper, maybe 95 or something like that. I really don't know. The thing is, I actually like this better, and in the Amiga community they get bashed. This one will cost maybe 4 times more than that one, and stuff like that, guys. What I want to say is, in this video is, my finger again, looking at this box art compared to the original, I like these cheap boxes better. Look at this, Monkey Island 1. Look at the gold around. I like, maybe it's because I like gold, but it looks so beautiful. The original is, yellow, orange colors all over the place, but these with the gold around it, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's such a joy. Look at that Loom box. Lucas Art, Lucasfilm presents. I mean, with this video, I just want to say, don't just say, these are just reprints, they're worthless, I don't want to pay, they're cheap out for sale. If you like the game, if you like the title, trust me, go ahead and use those few peanuts and buy these boxes, because in real deal, they are beautiful. As you can see here, we got pirates. I love this box. Of course, I also have, versions like these. But yeah, to be honest, I don't know. I have these game boxes in different shapes and sizes and stuff like that. But I don't know, guys, just a short video telling you how I feel about these. Same size, same graphic, same everything. I mean, one of my friends had, I think it was it Alien Breed or Pinball? One of these games that I have in, the original releases, he asked me, because he thinks that he has got more of these. He said, do you wanna trade 1-to-1 with one of these? If the box are beautiful, then I will. Yes, I don't care about the selling price and stuff like that. So if you have games, don't put them up like this. Put them up like this. They look and feel much better. And give these cheap boxes, still cheap on eBay, give them a chance, because when you put them all out together like this, man, it feels great. Thank you for watching, guys. This was just, how I felt. Maybe you feel the same way. Just let me know in the comments down below. Maybe you think, no, get the original. The original is much better. What is this? Original here. She's back. I don't know. I like these. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye.